want to know about the party we are forming? Yes, I am forming a party. Now the question is, what is the name of the party? I can't tell you because I don't know it myself. Our lawyers are today working with the Election Commission, and Jado Election Commission gives us the name, approves the name and approves the symbol, I will come and tell you all. But I can't give you मैं थोनू पहना कोई नाम दे दमा के पार्टी दा और कोई निकला है कुछ और उतों, that won't be right. So let us wait for the Election Commission to decide. But our lawyers are on the job, and we will give you the symbol also. We have made a request for symbol and we have made a request for names also. And when that comes, मैं जरूर तुम दसांगा. शुरुआत मैं करना चाहना. It is basically on what I have been seeing ever since my government went a month ago. We have, in the course of these 4.5 years that I was there, here are all the papers, what we have achieved. I am giving you each a set, ताकि तुसी सारे अपने आप at your leisure तुसी इसनू पढ़ सको. Fact is that this is our manifesto when I took over, and this manifesto is what we have achieved right through. A manifesto, again, this is another copy, and ये अपने पंजाबी दे विच है मनोरथ पत्थर, so ये भी ये विच ही है. और then जेड़ी असी मैनीफेस्टो तो अलावा program ਅਸੀਂ program ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਪੀ ਹੈ. Now what we have done, we have put them into one, and each one of you will be getting one of these. कि सारा मैनीफेस्टो ਕੀ ਸੀ, ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤੀਆਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਜੋ मैनीफेस्टो ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ नहीं ਸੀ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤੀਆਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ, and where Punjab is going. Lot of information has been coming out. Here you are. Major policy works. Other than that, in the manifesto, now, it is the duty of the government naturally to take credit for jada kuch kar rahe ne. Lekin it is also the duty of in all honesty, to say कि ये जड़े programs असी दिते ने, ये कदों लगे, कदों हुए, जो साडा manifesto दा program 500 तकरीबन point से, we have done 92% during my period. 10 manifesto the programs cover नहीं हो सकते से, because they were linked with VAT, and ਹੁਣ साडा GST आ गया, so उन्हां नूं तुसीं कढ दिओ विचों. Otherwise, by the time my government was to end, which was March, everything would have been completed. Even now, I am sure, though program ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ, they are continuing. But to say, and I don't want to name the minister, to say कि 4.5 साल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਜੀ, ਹੁਣ ਚਲੋ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੁਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਉਹ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ these are petty, small, unnecessary statements made by people who are part of the cabinet, even in my cabinet. Anyway, I am not going to name people, but that is it. My concern, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਮਖੌਲ ਉਡਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੀ, about security measures. Now look, my basic training is that of a soldier. I have been 10 years in the service, from my training period to the time I left the army. So I know the basics. On the other hand, 9.5 साल मैं इस पंजाब दा Home Minister hai, and I've had all the sensitive issues were under me, whether it was intelligence or whatever it was. And somebody who's been Home Minister for 1 month seems to say he knows more than I know, which I have known for 9.5 years, plus my training. I want to show you something. Nobody wants a disturbed Punjab. We must understand we have been through very difficult times in Punjab. ਅਸੀਂ 1947 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੜੇ ਗੜਬੜ ਹੋਈ. ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ 1962 ਦੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਫੋਰਸਿਸ ਗਈਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ, ਈਵਨ ਇਨ 48 ਕਸ਼ਮੀਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਈਆਂ ਸੀਆਂ. ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 65 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੜਾਈ 'ਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੋਏ. ਫਿਰ we've had the trouble of ब्लू स्टार तो पहला दी गल्लां ने, ब्लू स्टार तो बाद दी टेररिज्म गल्लां ने. You have seen Punjab has suffered. I don't want Punjab to suffer. Therefore, it is my duty, was my duty as Chief Minister to see what is happening, and ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਂ take up ਕਰਾਂ Government of India ਨਾਲ, that we have to work together to resolve this, because ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ border ਹੈ Pathankot to Fazilka 600 kilometer, it is also India's border, it is also my border. And when people are ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ, now when people talk, whether it is all party or anybody, they must be given the proper briefing. I don't know what they were given, whether they were given briefing or not. So ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿ 51 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਬੜਾ it's taking over Punjab, this is a total misconception. I do not know what the all party meeting discussed. Lekin, please understand one thing. Security forces are there to control the security of the country. Nobody is taking over the government of the state. Na hoi hai pehla, na hoi hai hun. Odo jad hoi si, terrorist period used to have a cordon operation. Cordon and the army used to do an outer cordon. Where the police, Punjab police, and the CRP and all used to do the inner search and operation. Same is the case now. Nobody is taking over the states. Eta 51 kilometer tak, they are on the lookout for these drones. Technology बढ़ रही है. These are Chinese drones. इन्हां दा payload increase हो रहा है और इन्हां दी range increase हो रही है. Tomorrow you may get them to 50 kilometers. You may get them to 60 kilometers. Who knows? They may land near Chandigarh. Ki pata lagda sanu. So instead of being critical, it is the duty of every government, responsible government, to see कि ये बिल्कुल जड़े हालात इत्थे बन रहे ने, इन्हां दा सामना आपां नूं कैसे करना है, and how are we to deal with this. Punjab Police is a first class force. They are a trained force. When I was there were 81,000 policemen. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 9,000 ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ employ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਹੁਣ 90,000 ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ. ਕੁਝ ਰਿਟਾਇਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕੁਝ ਨਵੇਂ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ. ਲੇਕਿਨ they are not trained for certain things. They are trained for policing. We have commando battalions, we have PAP battalions, they are all doing a good job. But they need help. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਇਹੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਫੋਰਸਿਸ ਸੀਆਂ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ CRP ਔਰ BSF ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਪਈ. ਔਰ ਜਦ CRP BSF ਤੋਂ ਬਿਯੋਂਡ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ army ਦੀ ਵੀ ਲੋੜ ਪਈ. Army we don't need at the moment because there is no such thing. But certainly assistance to Punjab Police, our CRP and our BSF must give it to maintain peace in Punjab. मैं peace ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੂਬੇ 'ਚ. ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਛੋਟੇ 70 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਦ ਤੋਂ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫੇਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ. ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਮਸਲਾ ਨਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ. ਹੁਣ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਫੇਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਰਤਾ. Khalistani involved and Pakistani involved. Let me make sure these are sleeper cells of both ISI and Khalistan together. Weapons किथे जा रहे ने, उन्हां दे कोल जा रहे ने. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਫੜੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਫੜੇ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਏ, ਕਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਗਏ, ਕਿਉਂ ਗਏ, ਕੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵ ਹੈ, ਕੀ what are they planning to do in Punjab. ਮਖੌਲ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਥਿਆਰ ਆਏ ਨੇ. Therefore for any government to say ਕਿ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ ਮਖੌਲ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੀ, ਇਹਦਾ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਗੈਰ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ irresponsible behavior.